We got basically Monday morning reports of birds that were sick or dying. We have seen mainly glaucous winged gulls and a glaucous wing hybrid. So far that's what we have been reported and what we've seen. Okay, so what we're noticing out in the field is that the birds are very, you can approach them, they're not being able to move. So they might move their head, but normally when you would approach a gull, it will try to get away, it'll walk away, it'll fly away, but we're not seeing that. You can approach it, and so it's basically paralyzed from the neck down. It's been happening mainly in this area, but we found birds on Owen Beach, Browns Point, along Ruston Way, and then within the Port of Tacoma. The port has been very helpful, and they were the first ones to report to Department of Fish and Wildlife and others. They were reaching out to a lot of people when they first noticed that there were dead gulls and sick gulls. And we were able to work with their biologists and get out there to collect samples, to get birds into rehab centers, and so they've been a great partner working with us. If somebody sees a gull that is exhibiting these signs, they should call the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife.